If you want to turn off your OnePlus 13 5G, so what do you have to do? First of all, you have to locate your volume down button. Here it is on the right side of your phone. Your power button and volume up button. So now hold them simultaneously until you'll summon this power off menu, and to power off your phone, simply swipe it down to your power off option. Also, if you're holding your power button and you're getting your digital assistant summoned, but you want to change it, there is a very easy way of doing this. So you have to open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your accessibility and convenience. Here, we gotta find our power button. There it is, and you can choose what to do with it. So press and hold the power button, you can set up your power off menu. And now if you set it up, as you see, our power off menu will be summoned. Also, you can set a schedule of power on and power off in this exact menu. Let's do this. Schedule power on and power off. And you can set it up. First of all, you have to turn it on by tapping on the switch, and you can choose the timing. So for example, you want it to power on 7 a.m. and to power off at midnight. And that's how it works. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.